Alright, yo, live trading today. Let's see. Alright, let's see. So it is the day before NFP. We do have 10 a.m. PMI news. And then yeah, tomorrow is NFP. So I don't really know what today will bring, but I am bullish on the bigger time frame. So I do want to see us push up, like probably this week. So maybe today or tomorrow. I am more bullish than bearish. We do still have this SMT in here, and also have an SMT here as well. We do have like these equal lows here, but in NFP weeks I've seen before that we just create nice equal lows but never return to that. So I'm actually expecting the buy setup here, which is the buy setup here and the buy side up here for NQ. So yeah, more bullish than bearish today. Probably want to look for longs. We do have this inversion. Market just opened. And we're at constant encroachment of this 4-hour rejection block. So let's see if this holds. And then on ES, we are inside of this inversion as well, and also a 1-hour busy. So, oops. So here, have an inversion here, and then holding this 1 hour here. And then the first low-hanging fruit would be up here, and then here as well. Let's see. Let's put TopstepX on here. Oh wait. All right. Oh. What's it? Then we do have 10 a.m. news. All right. Let's see with this push up, if we want to go lower on yes and then maybe take out all these equal lows, have this as like a fake run, maybe have an S&T then. Hopefully you don't run straight to the buy setup here. And then on yes. I do still have this inversion marked here, but I would be more bullish than bearish on a bigger time frame. So I'm expecting the buy setup here and then a buy setup here as well, maybe for next week. Wow, what a push. Look what we hold on yes. Crazy. And then NQ as well, which is the 4-hour CE of this rejection block. Nice. I think this is that busy on the 4-day, yeah. Gaussian encroachment, I mean. Nice reaction. Let's see what we want to do. I would like to see, yes, take out all these lows and then have an SMT there. Maybe then a setup will form for me. Let's see here. Um, 8 more minutes and then it's 9:45 and then I won't take a trade until news releases 15 minutes before. Alright, so ES steps back into that busy Gaussian encroachment on the 1 hour, but I actually do want to see it go lower. Wow, look at that reaction to the tick. Let's see here, we do have a big wick. Alright, rejection there again. I thought maybe if we wanted to go through this high, then probably this buy set will also be the target. But let's see. Alright, we do trade through that high. Probably if you come back below this low on ES, then these will be the target, which then I don't expect NQ to go for the buy side, and then that would be good because then we probably won't take this until 10 AM or a bit after 10 AM. That would be good because then there would be a setup. Okay, so we don't take that low yet. Alright, there it is. Nice. That's good. because we have a really big range here. I don't see NQ coming all the way to here, so I would expect an SMT, and that would give the setup. Just looking at this now. Nice. So equal those. Nice. There's the low. So now we do have an SMT. And now 5 more minutes, and then I wait at least 15 minutes for news. We do tap into constant encroachment of this inversion. Oh, look at this respect. Okay, so we do have SMT. Hopefully we don't take the high yet. But I'm not expecting for it to trade through here and then again reject. Okay, so we do take the high. But let's see if we do reject again. I'm not expecting it to. Alright, there it goes. Yeah, there it is. So now we have the low-hanging fruit objective already taken. So that's not, or it's fine, but I would want to see it now trade back into this range here where we are now. Because if we push up higher and push through this high, then I'm not expecting for an entry back for another opportunity to go along inside of here, target to the highs there. Hopefully we get a retracement here somewhere. But yeah, we do have news at 10. But yeah, like the SMT that we had here. That's pretty clean. But now there is side below here because of the traced stop losses. And then would also be this low. If we don't return to this low and just push higher, then probably we'll just push to the equalize without getting anything. see what we do here. So it's now 46, so I would wait at least until PMI gets released. Because this is the time where we like generate liquidity. Nice, and that low now is taken. But yeah, I don't expect market to pump now. Sure. Yo, Druff. The Ruff. What's up, man? How you doing? You trading today as well? Wait, let me turn on the lights. Getting dark here. I see. Alright. Boom. Alright, so now I still trade lower, so this high is still not taken, so we still have a nice objective. No trade today. Tomorrow news, yeah, I get what you're saying, yeah. I've skipped the day before NFP a lot as well. Oh shit. Those were my AirPods. 1 second. Yeah, I've skipped the day before NFP a lot as well, but I know it's just I've backtested a lot of the. I had a lot of data with the day before NFP, and I still can trade it like pretty well. So I would say like the price action isn't that bad, I would say. For me, of course, with my strategy, like everyone, for everyone is personal, of course. But I still find the price action like okay. How is your week going with trading? Like how is your performance this week? Is it good? Which model do you prefer? Well, I have my own model, which is I don't know if you trade ICT concepts, but I use the inversion model. So I wait for a sweep of equal lows, and then have a inversion in here, so a SIBI. So we have a SIBI inside of here, and then we take those equal lows, and what we do is we close above on the same time frame that we have the SIBI on, and then that would be my entry with a market execution, stop on the second lowest candle, and then this will be break even, and then target my Tron liquidity. What's your model? inversion is quite popular among inversion traders. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah. Like you either have the inversion model, the unicorn model, like a continuation model, or yeah, just a silver bullet, or yeah, unicorn model is like the most used one, I would say. Or order blocks. A lot of people trade order blocks as well. What's your model? Yeah, I really like that we did have like this low that is protected because of the SMT, and then we like almost create equal lows. I've seen a lot the day before NFP. Like I would like literally get so mad when I saw that, but it was a good learning moment. But a lot of the times that we create like just perfectly equal lows, and then I just ask myself like why, how, and then I see it happen like 3 months, like in all the months that I trade, like in 6 months, I see it happen like 3 times, and then I know, oh wait, what day is this? It's the day before NFP. And then you see a lot that the day before NFP, you create a lot of equal lows, like bigger time frame equal lows. Still figuring out my model. Nice. Like how you doing that through backtesting? Probably backtesting them, right? I wouldn't try to find your model in live market. Yo, Darius, how you doing, man? You trading today, Darius? How's it going? Yeah, it's going okay. I have no trades taken today. Waiting for news now. 10 a.m. news, and I am bullish. My first target got hit, which wasn't my TP, but my drawn liquidity got hit, which was the buy setup here, which was low hanging fruit on a bigger time frame, I would say. And then my actual target is the buy setup here. Yes, backtesting, nice, man. True FX replay, probably, like, right? Which country are you from? I'm from the Netherlands. I'm waiting for news, and after that I'll see. Yeah, same for me. Same for me. What's your bias? What's your drawn liquidity? Yeah, so 7 more minutes for until news releases. I would love to see news push lower. If it pushes higher, then yeah, this would be a this target will probably get taken without any structure, like just bump. If you have news pushing up, then I expect like another lower time frame, like a second chart, and then actually go instantly. So I really hope that news is gonna push lower. So on ES, we're still inside of this busy here on the 1 hour, and we probably will close below on this. But we do have the inversion still, and yeah, NQ is still really bullish. So I would take the bullish bias with the bullish structure and only look at the honestly, I don't have a bias on NQ. It's consolidating between 2 and 4 hour since Tuesday. Yeah, that is true. But yeah, to me, on a bigger time frame, we're still really bullish. Like we did take all-time highs here, and then have like a turtle soup inside of here, then drop lower. But yeah, we drop lower inside. To me, it's inside of a singular busy. So on a 3-day, like on a daily as well, you have a busy here. And then on the 4-day, in the entire leg, we have a singular busy, which we're inside of. And then on ES, a singular busy on the weekly, which we're inside of as well. And then this is my drawn liquidity, which is all this low resistance liquidity, which is literally a trend line here. And we took that low now, and we took it once here. To me, it's above a 4-hour time frame low because it's a swing low. Then we took it, and then if we take it, I want to see at least a turtle soup again, and we got it here. Have an SMT there, and we also have equal lows here the day before NFP. And I've seen a lot that we create like perfectly equal lows the day before NFP and never go there. Like literally, I don't know where it was, but it's like a long time ago. It was on the 1 hour. I think it was somewhere here. That was a long time ago. It's not September. That would be a long time ago. Oh, that's 2023. Maybe a year or something. Yeah, I don't know where it was, but we literally had this. I found it. So literally here, this is 1 February 2024. This is literally, look at what day this is. Thursday, 1st of February. This was the day before NFP. I was on a a challenge account, and I was in such a good short, like such good risk reward here. My TP was at this low. We never got this low. I was so mad there, like a lot of emotions, like a roller coaster. And we never got there. And look, wait, can I go back? Yeah, look, I was expecting all this time, I was expecting to get back to the low. Look, we never went back to the low. See that? And with the bullish bias that I have, like the same story to me here. And the bullish bias, the nice strong liquidity, which are all these equal highs. Yeah, the bullish bias, and look at this. Equal highs above here, equal highs above here. So I'm really, really bullish still. Yeah, I get that, like the day before NFP. But yeah, I've seen a lot. Like, I'm not saying like I know how to trade it, but I don't know. I like the price action. Like, it looks really, really good to me still. But yeah, if we just push lower and we do go lower, we take out this low, go even lower to this low, I'm not touching it. Like, it's simple as that. I could be wrong, and that's totally fine. And bigger time frame also bullish. Nice, nice. Yeah, so 2 more minutes. Hopefully it pushes lower. And then maybe have like another SMT with NQ going into these lows, and then ES don't. Or ES doesn't. Honestly, that was... I thought you asked me for today. Yeah, that's also today. But still today, I'm still really, really bullish. Literally found where I literally found that example. Like, honestly, didn't expect to find that. But yeah, like the same story here. Like 1 hour at these equal lows. With the bullish narrative, with the bullish strong liquidity, with what market is showing me. So 1 more minute, and I really hope it pushes lower. I'll see if we have a down close candle on this. Maybe even trade lower a little bit more. I'm expecting like us to open news, have like this fake wick, and then boom. Probably like that. I'm just really curious what today's gonna bring. So 10 more seconds. Oh, wait, my clock isn't set right, but let's see here. 1, boom, and drop. Or is that it? Is it that? Is that it? Oh. Yeah, PMI. Okay, let's see. So this is already, that buy side already got taken. Alright, I think that's it. We could still go lower and then create more structure. And that's what I'm hoping for. But yeah, like same thing here as well. Like we could also have this as generate highs and then drop all the way lower and never come back there. So that's why I'm not marrying my buys. I'm just trading what I see. And if I see my setup and we create a lot more structure and I see my setup, then I take it. I'm not trading what I think. I'm trading what I see. So we created one low here. Let's see if we can create like another low, or maybe we'll just push into the high and then don't get anything. Let's see where that high is on. Yes, it's all the way here. These aren't really like equal highs, so I will mark this out as well. Look where we went on the ES, by the way. We just say 30 minutes singular inversion. And back to CE. And we did respect that 1 hour. Singular 1 hour. Yeah, beautiful. Let's see what we'll do here. Alright, it doesn't look like we get anything here. You will look for sells after buy side. What do you mean? Like, if I do or I need to do? If you do take out the buy side up here, then I would at least want to see a lot more structure generated before we go even higher. Because if we take this high pretty early, then I'm expecting like the rest of the AM session to not really do anything. Or we push up all the way higher without. Or you just keep pushing up, that's what I mean. Either that or we chop around if we take out the buy side here without generating more structure. Okay, nice. That's good. Will you look for sells? No. Not looking for sells today. I'll only look for sells today if we, let's see. If we create this 30-minute busy here, and then we just trade all the way lower, close below the busy, and then I would look for shorts. But like, what is the chance that will happen? But if it does, yeah, then I will look for shorts. Because I'm not trading what I want to see. I'm trading what I actually see. Yeah. How long you trade? I'm not profitable yet. I'm not profitable. Like really, I want to make that clear. Everything I'm saying is just what I'm thinking, what I'm looking for, but don't, not financial advice. Not even profitable, so. Alright, let's see here. So that's the buy side taken. And let's see what we'll do here. Create a lot more, if we create a lot more structure. Or are we going to create a lot more structure? Or are we just going to push higher from here? Like, without any retracement. Yeah, that is nice though. The drawn liquidity was right. Oh wait, I shared it in my Discord as well. Wow, that looks pretty good. Like the before and after. I'm gonna make a screenshot of this. If I ever want to come back to this. Yeah, nice. Nice, nice. Okay, so bias was correct, but now it's just now it's gonna be really boring because we need to create a lot more structure, or we're just gonna push higher, and then yeah, of course, if we just push higher, then there's gonna be no entry. I'm not gonna chase price. How long it took? What do you mean? How long will it take? I'm not creating deadlines. Yeah, so the next actual target would be this high here. For yes, it would just be these equal highs here, which I look at as a original accumulation or original consolidation. And then this looks like, this will be like the original consolidation up here. And this would be a first stage accumulation, second stage accumulation. So these would be targets. So perfectly equal highs here. So this would be the first next target. And then, yeah, yes has equal highs, so I don't really care. But we are inside of this really big singular 2 hour CB here. But yeah, I am bullish, so I do want to see these levels get used as support, which is the low, the constant encroachment, and the high. Let's remove this on yes, this as well. And then on yes, it would be oh wait, on yes it would be, it would also be a 2 hour. Wait, let me check if it's not wrong here actually. No, so let's remove all this. Look what we hold on NQ as well. We have this rejection block on the 4 hour, which is the biggest time frame wick. 12 hour, 8 hour, 6 hour, 4 hour, big wick here, 2 hour. So biggest 4 hour wick. Look how we respect this constant encroachment. And then on the yes we didn't, because we of course have the SMT. Let's all remove this. Yeah, so I'm looking at this inversion and looking at the low, constant encroachment, and high. And that would just be extra confluence for if we like generate structure and then take equal lows like around here. Bro, are you doing only trading or something else like business? For now, only trading, or I only want to be trading now. And I am working still. Not working full time, but I work. I have the how do you say it? I have the blessing. I don't know how to say it, but to make my own schedule. So I made it so I can still trade most of the New York sessions. So I'm done pretty early. But yeah, what I said here, now we took the equal highs, and now we're just pushing higher. We probably will do that all day, or we retrace somewhere in here. I'm looking at the low somewhere in here. or the low of the inversion, if you can use that as support. Then also have the busy here if we do want to trade lower, like generate structure here. Okay, that's maybe generate some structure here and trade lower back into the busy maybe, and then actually go. Like that would be a perfect setup. And then let's mark it out on ES where the singular busy or Sibi was. And that was also on the 2 hour. But yeah, we're more we're far away from that. But yeah, I am expecting this. I'm anticipating this to be an inversion. But yeah, already slow market after taking a buy side. So it's going to be pretty boring day, I would say, or pretty boring at least AM session then. Need 50-minute close first for me, above the high, you mean? Here? Yes, sir. Okay. So 2 more minutes for this. And then if it doesn't, what do you look for then? You wait for another 50-minute candle, or you still look for longs? Like for me, I just want to see more structure. Or what we will do is create a singular busy on the 30 minutes. And then for yes, it would be creating a singular busy on the 50 minutes. Or we trade back into equilibrium now. And then create structure and then for my setup. So let's see. Do trade lower, so that's equilibrium. Let's mark out the candle opening, didn't do that. Look where we trade back to with a hurry. Here. Okay, so. Damn, all those people that went long here, they're getting scared here. Maybe even get stopped out here on yes. So that's optimal trade entry. Yeah, didn't create a... Oh wait, look. We do have a singular 50-minute on NQ. So if we tap into this as well, that would look good too. And then yeah, ES we hold optimal trade entry there. Actually, if we do inverse this on the 2 minute, which I honestly don't expect it to, but that would also be a long there. I'm not expecting it to, like the risk reward would also be terrible. My rules don't even allow me to take it now. Not even allowed by my rules to take that. Yeah, all those people that went long here, like all their trade stop losses would be under this low or maybe under this low. this low maybe. Didn't take that, but all those people are now stopped out in profit, but they are stopped out. Yeah, I traded back to below the candle opening, which was a 4-hour candle opening without a wick. So we now gave that wick, which completes the open, low, high, close candle if we're looking for longs. As I said, close is important. Yeah, it is. Does look like a sweep now, but I'm still looking for longs anyway. If the setup forms, then I'll take it. If it doesn't form, then no setup. Like I could say anything I want, but I could be wrong 99% of the time. But if my setup forms, then I'll just take it. But yeah, that's why, like I've heard a lot of people say, like, yeah, I need to, like you said, like I need a 50-minute candle closure above. But what I didn't get is always, and that's why I made the singular things and stuff. Like I didn't get why the 50-minute, why the 50-minute close above, why not the 1 hour, why not the 5 minutes. Like there was no one could give an actual reason. But yeah, no, I'm not saying that it's wrong or something, but I never understood it, and yeah, I don't know, I can't trade it. Maybe I'm just but I didn't understand it. So you want inversion of that use down candle? Well, if it does inverse, then I'm expecting for it to take this high, but I'm not taking that, because if we have a huge range like this, my stop goes below the second lowest candle, and I would go break even at this high. But I can mark this 2 out, and it leads be for me at least a 0.33 RR, and I would go break even at that candle. So let's say that candle was a bit higher, and this was 0.33 RR, then I would take it if we do inverse and close above this here. Doesn't matter where we close above, this needs to be at least 0.33 RR, and then my actual target would be this high, so the risk reward wouldn't be that bad. But yeah, I'm really not expecting it to inverse here. But yeah, it could, of course. It would also be pretty good if we have these lows here. If we do come lower and then take these lows and then my setup forms, then I will take that long as well. Same. Alright, nice. We're on the same page. And also, if you do inverse this, like, it's not my setup. I've seen it, I've learned, and I've decided not to make this my setup, because a lot of the times when we close below this, that doesn't mean that we are actually going lower. Not expecting much. Already did some kind of buy side delivery. Tomorrow we have major news. Yeah, really, yeah, true. Really not from. I'm also not expecting for it to do anything crazy. But if it does form, then I will still take it. If we have a really terrible volume and we chop around, and I know when we chop around, I always say that, like, it's really obvious. Like, you're just ignoring your own truth, basically. Like, you see that it's chopping, but still you want to be in the market and take a trade. But I know when I see chop, so when I see that, I'll skip the whole session in major impact folder news weeks. So that's CPI, NFP, FOMC, and then also look at Powell speaking. Also see that as a major impact folder news week. And also bank holidays, so 5 things. if I see chop in those weeks, I just skip the whole session, and I skip the whole session and I come back the next session. So let's say 10 a.m. just opened, and this is all what we're doing today, then I'm literally skipping the session straight away, because that avoids me of getting into choppy sessions, which I will get chopped into. And probably 99% chance that I will take a loss there. Like, you don't want to be in those environments, like, not even for the capital, but for the for your capital. I mean, money wise, but you especially don't want to be in there for your mental capital. This is what I've learned, and what my experience is, and what I think is more important. So I still think the volume is okay. We're not really chopping around. I do see these equal lows. It does look like pretty messy, maybe, I don't know, but looks or I know what these are, so it looks pretty clear to me. So we do have these equal lows here, which is also the low of the 15-minute, or the high of the 15-minute busy. I'm back. Yo, what did you do? Did you take a trade? Or let's see what we do here. No, I didn't. No. Did you? Okay, so also I see that NQ is way more. It's more bearish than ES. ES still has to go through this entire wick here. I know ES is slower. So yeah, look, now we took the equal lows. So it would be good if we have an SMT at the lows. It could be. It doesn't have to be. I'm not saying that it will, but it can be. Drop a lot lower, but we do step into these equal lows. Okay, now this low has been taken as well. I could just remove this because this probably wants to go for the sell side there. Now tap into that busy. See what we do here. I'm in a short on DEX. Oh yeah, that's German, right? Oops. Yeah, the Deutsch. What companies are even in there? I don't even know. Like BMW, Audi, what's in there? Top 40 from Germany. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. So now. Okay. So did we take this low? Okay. So we do again have an SMT at the low. We did take all these equal lows now. We're inside of this 15-minute busy. We just stepped constant encroachment. We do have a inversion here, which we have another one here, but this will probably close in. So honestly, if we do close above this, then I would take that. Again, have another SMT. Only if that happens, I'll take this. And then maybe have a 3 minutes. If we do create another civvy here. Yeah, let's see. Still 1 more minute before this cannot close. The inversion short was good, targeting 50-minute imbalance, low hanging fruit. Yeah, like in hindsight it looks really good, but I've seen a lot of times that we have an inversion here And then because we have a big wick here, then we close below that inversion, go way lower, tap the wick, and then boom. In hindsight, looks very good, of course, but I don't know if you can, if it can be consistent. Like you don't have any more structure. Like it looks really simple, delivering from a SIBI, inversing, close below with displacement, and then target the low. But when we have wick here, when we have a wick here, I've seen a lot of times that we just ignore all this and just go again. So I don't know. Anything in hindsight could be really, really good. Okay, so 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we created a SIBI here, and we created a SIBI here, and we have a swing high here. So I look, oh, okay. So we have a 3-minute singular SIBI here, but there's no swing high here. So there's no, it's not a fractal leg of its own. So I zoom in again. We have a 4-minute SIBI here, 4-minute SIBI there, 5-minute. Then we need to fully close this in, and then have a 5-minute, but the risk reward would be even more terrible there. So no trade there, or I need to see more structure inside of what we are now. So that would be the only thing. If you create more structure, go higher, go lower. That's the only way that I will take a trade still this session. Let's see if we do want to go lower. Where do we want to go lower to? We are also still holding. I don't know why I removed this. Do we make... No. So 3 more minutes until this closes. Oh, we do have a singular one here anyway. Ooh. Oh, there's a bug here. On the 1 minute, it looks like a market maker sell model. Yeah, that looks really good, yeah. But yeah, it doesn't, that also doesn't have to work always. But yeah, it doesn't have to complete, like it always works. Because we always take some sort of stage of accumulation, so. I refine it here, so we have a low here, we have a low here. I probably go to the 2 minutes, yeah. And on 2 minutes, I would see this original consolidation, accumulation 1, accumulation 2, accumulation 3. Like, you can make as many as possible, but low risk buy, probably be an SMT at the highs. No SMT at the highs, what would be a low risk buy? The turtle soup, maybe. And then first stage distribution, second stage distribution, maybe. But yeah, it doesn't fit my narrative, so. And we already completed it because we took it on ES. Yeah, we're always inside of a market maker model. Oh my god. He doesn't want to die. Consolidate right before my TP. Really hope you hit your TP, man. Let's look at it. Oh, thanks. What's your TP? Here? Oh wait, is this even the DEX? Futures. It's ETF. It's future as well, right? Is it your 40? That's the CFD, right? I don't know what your TP is. This is probably off. I think you're targeting lows. Oh, it's your 30. So So, or 40. Oh, I think this is your TP. Nice. Oh, this looks clean. Holy shit. Damn. Look at these lows. Nice. Nice, man. Nice. Okay, so do trade lower again. Nice, man. DEX rates, same model. What do you mean? Similar moves. Yeah, honestly looks pretty lol, yeah. Kinda looks the same, but I honestly don't know why, because all those companies aren't the same. Honestly don't know. Ooh, we did take all these equal lows now. I'll probably long this, even though it maybe looks bad, but those are my rules, so works great with ICT concepts. Where are you trading it on? On TopStep? DAX is driven a lot by NQ in the New York. Really? How is that even possible? Like German companies aren't in the... Are they? No, they aren't, right? Or are they? I don't know. So we do have an inversion here. If we do close above, break even would be at a 1-to-1 because it's just 1-1's just below this here. So this would be break even, or this would be break even. But if we take it out before, or if we close above this, but we already took it, then it won't be a trade. So let's see how much I'm risking here. I have a paper trading account, which is a 50k account, which I'm not touching, so I know my risk. So I'm risking 0.75% on trades. So I'll be like 6 contracts below 0.7. So I'm gonna go along here probably. Let's see. Probably be a break-even trade, but 4, 3, 2, 1.
Order filled.
All right, let's see. So that's already break-even, I think. Yeah, it's break-even. All right, let's see. So first target would be that's 1 of 5. First target would be here, which is a stage of accumulation. So let's see if you just want to pump higher. Good luck, bro. Thank you. I'm already break even, so it's fine. But let's see. This would be first TP. And then this would be 75% off. And this will probably be final TP. I like the momentum. Like, what the hell? That's going good. But yeah, not sharing too soon. Yeah, it's not done yet, so a lot of time for you just come back lower, so just waiting now. So either NQ hits this first or ES hits it. Probably NQ if it does. If ES hits it earlier, then I need at least a 1 or 2, which we are. Oh, we are not actually. This is actually my fill. Wait, shit. This will be first TP. Didn't look as good as... now it looks way better, but that's not my trade. Let's see. So either NQ hits it or ES hits it. It's still inside of a 1 of 4, so this is first TP. That'll be 75% off, and then probably let it run until there, honestly. Yeah, just waiting now. So my break-evens is, wait, it should be a bit lower because I got filled a bit higher. I'm totally fine with taking like a $5 loss. That's okay. And it's always where the original entry would be. That's where my break-even is. Like break-even, just $5 loss or something, which I don't care about. First, I backtested a lot. That I have my break-even one tick above to average out the commissions and stuff. But I've had like 5 trades in all of my, like 5 out of the 100 trades, but still, where I get stopped with that tick, which was 1 tick in profit, and then that wouldn't then we would run to target. But still, if it goes for highs, will be too much for this session. Yeah, honestly, don't know. It could happen. Like, all right. So that would be the actual break or the
Order
where it was
filled.
earlier. Yeah, that is okay. So now I'm out of trade. Let's copy this, put it into Notion. Here, let's paste this in already. I'm not journaling it yet. Oh, all right. See if it would have stopped me out and protect me, or if it goes to my break profits. Yeah, so again, if I want to take another setup, I need to see more structure created, take equal lows, and then actually go. If you run now without me, then it's totally fine. I know in the end it will be okay if I just follow my strategy. We do use this constant encroachment as support now, which is on a 3-day, which I don't really expect it to get used as support. Can you share the Notion terminal? Yeah, someone asked that before as well. I'm gonna make a video about that soon. Like, looks it looks nice, doesn't it? I've added this recently, but this is what I have. So either it's a new week, it's no trades taken, it's a win, it's break even, it's a loss, or the week has finished. So let's say it was a W today. How many trades did I take? I take 2 trades. What's the P&L? What time is it? What risk am I taking? What was the price action? What's the time zone? What was the entry taken on? Did I follow my rules? What news was there? Time the news was released. Did we had no news? Was the bank holiday? This is for the start of the week or the end of the week. Look where we traded into actually, to the candle opening. This most of the time means it's just going to be accumulation candle or like a doji candle. And when we trade higher, back into it, and then lower, and then back into it. So we are inside of this 15 minutes still. Yeah, we don't have anything here, big wicks here, just staying inside of this range here. But yeah, I am still in the bigger time frame, or yeah, I'm still bullish. But yeah, on the Notion template, I will make a video soon. Like, I want to be like, it probably will. It's honestly a really good template, I would say. So I want to make a good video explaining it, like how you can make it personalized and how you can make it better for yourself. I want to make a good video. if we had this one bit higher, so I see as this as low risk buy, original accumulation, original consolidation. This is the original consolidation, but now we have the low risk buy, first stage distribution, and then if this was the second stage distribution, so if this was, let's say here, and then we have the same here with this small SMT, if we had that and then close above, then that would be a trade for me. Yeah, not really expecting it to do anything, but still the volume is good, so I'll be on the chart still until 11:15, which is 35 more minutes. If the volume is still good, then I'll just wait until my setup forms. Honestly, not even looking at what we create here now. Let's look at a bigger time frame. I live in the Netherlands. Where are you from? Durov? How do you say your name? Yeah, I was break even, yeah. I was break even here. So I'll be break even here, and my stop is or was on here. So let's see if my break even helped me, or if I would be stopped. I think it would have saved me. So that was a good break even. Yeah, so that would be a stop if I was still in the trade. So I love my I love the risk management behind the inversion model as well. So yeah, better a break even than a loss. So that's actually a W in its own. I'm from India. Nice, man, nice. Better than a loss, yeah, definitely. It's evening here, really. What time is it there? Okay, 2, 1. If we do close above here, now will be an inversion, but I'm not expecting it to. But if it does, then it's a setup. Yeah, I don't expect it to. Plus 530. Go quota. So what time is it there now? Okay, so it's 8. So the market opens at 19. It's like an okay time, like you can trade before going to bed. I don't know if it's a good thing if you took a loss, but if you took a nice W, then that would be a great, great good night's sleep, I would say. Yeah, the best times to trade are just probably would just be America. Like I really like the New York session. Like where I live, it's very good to trade London because London session 3 a.m. New York time would be 8 a.m. here, so that's a really good time to trade London. But I really like New York, so probably would be the best to live in the US then, right? Yeah, I'm trying to learn to trade London session. There is also no setup here, or it is there. Okay, maybe there will be. If you do close above this, then it's honestly a setup. Yes, after work you can trade. That's very good. You don't really have to watch what times you're working. That's very good. Yeah. Here the New York session is what is it? 15:30. So it's Yeah, 15:30. So that would be 3:30 p.m. So it's not really the best time. Like a lot of, if you do work full time, then most of the time you won't be able to trade the New York session. Yeah, we did take all these equal lows here actually. Look at this. Do we close below? Not yet. 14 minutes still, but damn, we did take all these equal lows here. So it will be valid if you do close above, but yeah. Is there a DAX? Yeah, I think it has. I think it's futures, right? Well, you can trade it on TopstepX, but I think DAX is futures, and then German 40 is the yeah, it is futures. Oh my god. This will be a break even if it's a 1-to-1. Let's see. If it's inside of that 1-to-1, then okay, so this will be break even, this high. Or ES takes the high. Let's see here. Stop on the second lowest candle, which would be here on NQ. And then closure above. Let's say we're right here. It would be like 3 contracts. Yeah, let's see here. Yeah, it would be 3. Well, damn. If you don't push up that much higher. Now it's 0.83% risk. What the hell is this candle? Bro, honestly, I wouldn't even take this maybe. Like the risk is too much. Shit. Yeah, that's 2 contracts then.
Order filled.
I really don't like this on NQ. Or on NQ on top on trading view. There. This is break even. That's not even first TP. Crazy. Let's see here. Not even filled good. Honestly, this trade just already sucks because of that candle. But yeah, the risk is alright. Stop would be on what is it? 2-minute charts. Oh, stop would be on this low. Wait. What is a 3-minute chart? Alright, let's see. This is break even. And the first TP is not even here. And let's see here. There. And this is beyond this is beyond the 1-to-4, so I would take a 1-to-2 first TP. Which is a fixed 1-to-2. Let's see here. Huge stop loss? Yeah, it's huge. But yeah, my drawn liquidity or my target would be way higher. So yeah, it would be good then, but still. I get what you're saying, yeah. Alright, so that's that inversion. Let's see. So yeah, everything by the rules. So it should be okay. Like, what do you do in these times? Do you just look? On the last trades I did on yesterday, I did that W. I took a trade and then it took a while, and I just set alerts and I just played Clash Royale. Like, I don't care to just jump out of the match, but if my alerts get hit, then I'll just straight look at the charts and then adjust my position, put my stop to break even or what I need to do, and then yeah. Let's see. I'm chilling today. Tomorrow we'll fight. We'll fight the battle. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Either NQ or ES takes that high, and then I'll be break even. Oh shit! Look. Nice. Okay, I already lost Clash Royale. I let a Hawk Rider hit my tower. All right. Let's see. It should be at least break even, but I won't share too soon because, yeah. But honestly, like the volume here, like if we push through this high, then I'm honestly expecting it to go way higher, and then I'll be on side. If you don't get a blue balled this hard. That's a beautiful inversion on the 3 minute. Does look really good. Oh wait, my stop. Oh wait. My stop's too big here. That's the 3 minute low, second lowest candle. Low. Alright. Yeah, it's a beautiful inversion, right? Like, I love inversions. 3 minute singular one. Close above, tap back into it. Oh wait. Thank you. Alright, so that's break even. So that's okay. Break even again goes back on the candle where I should have been in. So that's there. So we'll take like I took a $20 loss on the previous one, which I don't care about $20 there. So yeah, that's break even now. So it's already an okay trade, and now just let it run to the first TP, which is a 1 to 2, which is let's actually see. So this is a 1.53, and let it run at least to 1 to 2. So that'll be 2148. So there. Yeah, but that inversion. We close above. Oh, it was on the 2 minute. It doesn't matter anyway, we have a singular one here in 3 minutes. Which is a single wrong as well. And then 3 minute on the yes. Tap into constant encroachment, then trade higher. Yeah, beautiful. Come on, push, yeah. Yeah, if it goes break even, I'm fine anyway. Like, I really like the break evens. Bro, you know Dodgy? Yeah, that's where he brought me to the idea of using the singular inversions. But how he trades is he takes an inversion and he takes like a partial at 10 points. So he will have, like, if his position, like half of his position is close to 0.5. Like, the risk reward is so terrible. Like on the long term, it would be okay, but you get such small TPs, and I don't like that. So I made my own model in that way.
Order filled.
Alright, so that's a break even again, which was a $10 loss, like $9.92. Okay, so I probably won't touch it here anymore. But yeah, also good trade. Yeah, this was the original stop then. Doesn't matter. Copy image. Notion. But yeah, that's now I trade everything singular because it made a lot of sense to me. Like he taught it like, okay, you have a singular inversion to make every time frame aligned, basically. But I do that now with BCs and CBs as well. Like it makes a lot of sense to me. Yeah, that's where I got my inspiration from. But I really don't like how he trades the inversions. What is Combine and Express in TopStep? Combine is your trading combine, which is the challenge account, and the Express account is when you're funded. So I'm not expecting for another setup to form. We either just pump or we literally do nothing. Honestly, I love streaming and trading because it makes you more, I don't know, how do you say it? Like more disciplined. Like you don't, like I don't really care about ego, but still you want to protect your ego. Like you don't want to be a loser on stream, right? You don't want to be an idiot to show to everyone. All right. Yeah, it gives more discipline then. All right, trade lower. Let's see. Look at that. Took break even here. Not TP, but break even, and I would be like I won't show it, but I would be pretty sad if we just come lower and I didn't went break even. And now I'm looking at my stop like, oh please don't hit my stop. Bro, is there any difference if I watch NQ and trade NAS 100 in Forex funding? NQ and ES and YM and a lot of others are all data that the CME group, which is a group in Canada, it's not really a group, it's a really big company, but they watch the data, they get the most accurate data of what the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 are doing. So everyone who trades that gets the same data. And NAS 100, which is also USD 100, like it has the same name, they have like, it's like the same thing, but they have like you have brokers, FXCM, Forex.com, Owanda, they all have data as well. They have to get it somewhere, and they all get data, but it's somewhat different because they all get like different kind of data. So that's why like if I go to like ES and let's go to like NAS 100, like this is all by CME group, so this is like the most accurate data. But if I go to this and this, like they all get like the same data, but it's not literally, it's not perfect. So let's see if it's somewhat different. So this looks pretty much the same, but that, like here, like this candle is a bullish candle and this candle is a doji candle. That's because the prices are different. They get like same data. No, not exactly the same data. So just look at it that way. It's probably more complicated than it is, but just look at it simply, or simple. Sometimes I see chart, it's different highs, lows. Yeah. That's why, because they have their own data. Look at this. My stop was on this here. If I was still in the trade, I would be really sad. Again, look where we trade. The candle opening. Doesn't mean that we trade into the candle opening that, oh, we did that earlier. Like, oh, this should be a short. No. It's just gonna accumulate the rest of the session, I probably think. OP trade management, pro OP. Yeah, honestly, like I love the inversions. Everything. It's like it's watertight. Like everything has been like if you name something like, oh, did you think about? Yes, I did. Like it's future proof. Like in all um, market environments, it's future proof. It has everything. Like everything you say, oh, do you have this? What do you do if this happens? Like I know. And I know for my backtesting, like I haven't seen it in live markets yet, but if I just follow my plan, I know for my backtesting, it is a profitable strategy. So, are you going to be live in the PM? Yeah, I will also live stream the PM session. There's no trade in here if we do inverse anything. Like I don't care. But yeah, the risk management, it's what makes this the best. Or that's what no, let me say it. The risk management is what makes this so good. Okay, I'll leave now. Maybe I'll be back later. Alright, that's good, man. See you then. Thanks for joining the stream, man. It was fun that you were here. Good luck if you take any more trades. Yeah, I probably won't take any more trades. I don't see any structure forming in 30 minutes. I'll close the AM session, or maybe even earlier if the volume dies down here. Yeah, thank you for joining, man. See you later, man. See you. Yeah, it doesn't look like anything. If we have more of these candles, then I'll close it earlier. But yeah, really nice drawn liquidity got hit here as well. Yeah, unfortunate there was no trade inside of here. But yeah, really liked was really good price action until this was okay, but until here, yeah. Alright, honestly, if we next candle, probably in 2 minutes, next candle closes and we're still inside of here, then I'll just close it. 2, 1. Yeah, I'll just close it here. I'm not expecting anything here. So I'll be back in the PM session. Druff still watching, and 2 other people. Maybe see you guys in the PM session. Thanks for joining the stream, honestly. I'll wait a bit because if I exit it now, then you didn't hear what I said. Wait a few more seconds. Yeah, see you guys. Yeah, bye, man. See ya.